Hi, this is Sarah Mikesell with the Pig Site, and today we're here with Kevin Braden. He is the General Manager, Southwest Hog Slat Operations. So thanks for being with us today, Kevin.
Yes, glad to be with you, Sarah. Thank you.
Very good. So we're going to start out and tell me a little bit about this free access stall.
Okay, be glad to. So this is the Hog Slat free access stall. I feel like it's the best free access stall on the market today. We spent about 8 years developing this stall, and as we gravitate to more and more open pen gestation, this is a very good option for producers to use to still breed in and contain the animal inside it to keep your breeding operation pretty consistent with what you've been doing today. I want to go over a few features of this free access stall. A couple things that we really think are key to making it so successful and separating it from the other ones that are on the market. So the biggest thing I feel like is we have stainless steel bushings and that basically act as bearings for all the pivot points. These pivot points are installed properly. They are free flowing and never hang, never give us a problem. So that the bushings and the pivot points, that's one of the most important things. Secondly, we have a lot of adjustments with this free access stall. So as we put it into older confinement facilities that aren't perfectly level or have concrete that's a little bit off, we have the ability to adjust the leg heights. We have the ability to adjust this arm and set this free access stall inside existing facility very well so that it's very useful to the producer and it works every time. So we'll go over a couple of those features. First, we'll start off down at the bottom. We have a stainless steel leg. We actually have a stainless steel tube that the leg mounts into, but it is hot dip galvanized. And so that leg's very flexible. It can rotate in a full 360-degree circle, so pretty much can go on any floor type and hit the gang of the slat anywhere it needs to. As we move back to the crate, or to the free access stall, it's very free flowing. So we have bumpers, and if we didn't have the bumpers, it would be a lot louder than it is today. So these are noise control, the bumper in the front, and we also have the bumper so when it comes back down, it limits the amount of noise that we're having. Another feature is, so we can lock the sows up or contain the sows in the free access stall in row. Typically we put one of these handles every 15 free access stalls, but you can lock the whole group up, or if you want to individually lock them up, we have a locking mechanism at the back. So you can do it either way. With this free access stall, the most important thing is it's counterbalanced, so when it gets about 24 inches off the ground, it'll free flow. Less effort for the animal to get in and out, but it's very important that it's counterbalanced. With that, we have, and to achieve that, we have this arm right here that we can adjust so that every one is set up exactly with the same least amount of effort for the animal to get in and out of the free access stall. So we also have the ability to have a bolt-on feed pipe. A lot of what we do, we drop into a stainless steel trough. We also offer the option of a permanently mounted trough without a head gate. If you want to put it up against an outside wall, you can do that. Utilize the most square foot that you have in the building. And obviously they got to back out. We have a stainless steel water. It's basically an individual nipple per animal. So it's hot dip galvanized, all of it is. It's really a robust system. We tested it multiple revolutions to make sure that we didn't have any weak points within the free access stall, especially the pivot points and the rear gate and the head gate. So that's our free access stall.
Very good. Thank you so much for all the information, Kevin. Tell me a little bit, just a bottom line, what does a product like this really mean for a producer?
So the biggest thing it means is we've all been conventional producers and we're used to breeding inside a gestation stall. So the free access stall gives you the best of both worlds. It allows you also to breed in a stall, which is what all your labor force is used to, and then open the doors up, let the system work. It's free access, open pen. So it's really it's changing how we raise the animal in the actual corral that she's in, but your people still can breed in the same way that they have been.
Very good. Excellent. Well, thank you so much again, Kevin, for all the information today.
Thank you, sir.
This is Sarah Mikesell with the Pig Site.